Hey, so I'm testing the infrared reader and remote control that I'll incorporate into my robot. The point and the purpose of this is because once the robot is inside the ball, it'll be difficult to turn it on and turn it off. So I'll basically have the infrared reader, which will send the signal to start and stop the motors, and basically start the control. So the setup's pretty simple. um, Power into the sensor, ground it, and then send its signal to an interrupt pin. And then I have just an LED here on with a 220 ohm to protect it. The library I'm using, just grabbed it off Arduino Create. It's this IRL remote.h library. So it definitely abstracts away a lot. You can see, there's quite a bit of just documentation around it, and you can choose which remote type you have. I have an NEC type, which thankfully was the one that was already chosen, so I didn't have to go through them all. And then really the library just abstracts away all of the work, and you can see down here that I've commented out some of the printing that would occur. But basically what's happening is the interrupt pin will fire when the remote receives a signal. So when the remote has a signal, we're going to read the data. I've already gone through this and found out that command 69 is the power command. So if we receive a signal that says that the user's pressed the button, I'm going to toggle my command, and my command is just a true or false command. So it's originally set to false, so the first power press will change it to true, and then we say if it's true, turn the LED on, if not, turn it off. A lot more things we can read from this around the hex commands and the data commands and things, but this is really the basic function. So to show you how that works, I have the remote here, power button on the left, top left. So if I push it, you see the LED comes on, push it again, and it comes off, on, off, on, off, on, off. So it works pretty well. So this I'll be incorporating into my robot, which works for the best because of the interrupt, because it means that I can basically stop the robot regardless of where it is in the execution script. So we'll test this with the robot next.